Bismillah. Today is the day 56 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. Presently, I am near to our chicken coop and on our Sabz farmland, and I really welcome you to the latest video of Sabz farmland. Presently, we have one problem, and it is serious because you may see our three chicken chicks walking healthily and moving around. But what is about the fourth one? And the fourth one is has severely infected. See, I never thought this case would come so fast. Why? Because see, they are not also eating food very well due to I am not cleaning their coop. One of the greatest reasons why it has been got infected, and the reason is this. Now on the day 656 of real making, we are going to clean up this and let's see what will happen to our chicken cheek. Let's get started. I don't know why it has been tied here. It means we have to also schedule the cleanup sections for our chicken coop also. If we couldn't be able to clean it, it means our chickens get infected and we may also lose our chickens. See, this is the main reason why our chickens are getting infected. So, I will meet up you after the cleanup of this. So, cleaning of the waste of chicken coop has the main part has been completed. See, this many days, this was the waste we get it from the chicken coop, but it is going to be completely. I am using this plastic bag to throw the waste from our chicken coop out. It was the outer waste of the chicken coop. Let's see what is happening on the inside of our chicken coop. Let's see. So inside it's not smells so bad here, but we have to keep it clean because it was the first time we faced the irritation. So we have to make sure that we couldn't be able to face this type of situation for the next time. So this was the day 56 of real making of our chicken coop, and if you like this video you can like it, and if you want to see this type of daily content and want to see our recovery of our chicken cheek, you can subscribe to this Sabz. See you on the day 57 of real making.